Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Rufus to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Rufus is a free tool used to create bootable USB drives. Let's begin. To begin, you need three things: a USB drive that's at least 8 gig, a Windows 11 ISO file, and the latest version of Rufus. So let's go ahead and download the Windows 11 ISO file. Open your favorite browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Download, enter. So we click on the first search result. It's a Microsoft website. Download Windows 11. You scroll down. So you download it from this section. Download Windows 11 ISO. You click on select download Windows 11. Confirm. Now we select the product language. So I'll click on English International and confirm. Click on 64-bit download. That's it. It's going to download the file. So it's about 7 gig. I'm going to cancel it now because I already have it downloaded on my desktop. So this is it here. So now let's go ahead and download Rufus. So you can just type in Rufus download on your browser and enter. This is the official site, rufus.ie. So click on Rufus. You scroll down and download the latest version. As of today, the latest version is Rufus 4.11. So again, I'm going to cancel this because I already have it downloaded on my desktop. So we have the Windows 11 ISO and we have Rufus. So at this stage, the first thing we need to do is to create a bootable USB. And we are going to use Rufus to do that. So insert your USB drive into your PC now and then launch the Rufus application. So let's double click on Rufus. Do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online? I will click on no. I already have the latest version. And then this setup page would appear. Under device, make sure your USB drive is selected. Mine is already selected automatically, USB 32. And then for the boot selection, you must select ISO image because that's what we want to boot from. So you need to select the specific ISO image you want to use. So you click on select. I'll go to desktop and select the Windows 11 ISO. Once you do that, Rufus will automatically fill the remaining for you. You can leave the image option as standard, that's fine. For the partition scheme, GPT is generally okay, but if your Windows PC is very old, then you can select the MBR. But most likely you will be using a PC that boots using GPT. So you need to confirm which of these your PC is using. So I'm just going to leave it at GPT. Then leave everything as is and click on Start. This is actually where you instruct Rufus to bypass the hardware checks. So the first one says remove requirement for 4 gig of RAM, secure boot and TPM. In other words, remove the requirement for Windows 11 hardware checks. So you have to select this. There are also some additional options you can select here. If you don't want to use an online Microsoft account, you can also click on it here. Create a local account with this name. I will click on this yes and then put text simplified. Set regional options to the same value as users, yes. Alright, so I'm just going to select all these except the last one and then click on OK. So here, Rufus is going to warn you that all data on the USB drive will be formatted. So if you have anything of value you want to keep, you might want to back that up first. So I'll just click on OK. And you can monitor the progress here. So let's wait for it to finish. So it has finished creating the bootable USB stick. Here it says ready. So we can close this now. And that's how you use Rufus to create a bootable USB stick you can use to install Windows on unsupported hardware. Let's try this USB out on a Windows 10 PC. So we have a Windows 10 PC here. Using the PC Health Check, we'll see whether it can run Windows 11. So let's check now. So you see, it said this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements because of TPM. So this PC is not supported. So we will restart the PC. During boot up, we'll make it to boot from the USB stick. So we'll select the USB option. So now we select the language settings. We are going to keep English UK for both. We'll click on next. Keyboard settings, still UK, next. So you see, I would like to install Windows 11. I agree, next. I don't have a product key now. So again, we select Windows Pro. Next. We accept the license terms. So the location to install Windows 11. So here we'll go with our main drive. Ready to install. Yes. Now it's installing Windows 11. So we'll just allow the process to finish and we'll come back when it's done. And here it is, our brand new Windows 11 OS running on an unsupported PC. You have your centralized start menu and taskbar. So that's how you use the Rufus USB stick to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other tutorials in the series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.